No Christmas would be complete without a Christmas wreath. It just wouldn't, would it? And that's where your new collection from Tonic Studios comes into play. So you have got the beautiful snowflakes. You've then got Under the Mistletoe. Want a kissy? You've then got the beautiful holly. So let's have a closer look. So looking at the first one, this here is that lovely snowflake one. So you can see you've got all that snowflake design. You've even got the mini one that sits in the middle, but then you've also got a verso robin. But the bonus of this collection is you can just have the outside edge and not have the inside. That's entirely up to you. But the inside edge will stay in your card front. So that would make a beautiful mount, maybe. Maybe you just want that inside your card. Beautiful. Your second one is that gorgeous holly. So this is your holly here. Now what about matching and layering these together? So you could put the holly with the mistletoe, yeah, just an idea, but you could have it in two-tone green. It'd be beautiful. So you can see all the open work is just crying out for glitter. It's crying out to be paper pieced. You've also got that lovely little bow collection in there, and once again it's a verso die, so it will stay in your card frontage should you wish it to. Okay, and then last but not least, I have to say, am I erring on this one being my favourite? Most possibly. This is your beautiful mistletoe. I love the mistletoe. It's just crying out for nouveau berries on there, isn't it? Getting your nouveau drops on there. It's got the little poinsettia in there as well. And once again, that interior circle is a verso die. So how are you going to construct your cards? Are you going to bring in little berries with your nouveau drops? Are you going to bring in little beads in there? I'm really looking forward to seeing what you make. See you later.